Caseworkers carry a heavy load. So much time goes to documenting, entering data, and chasing follow-up that it's difficult to focus on what they do best: building personal connections with the people they serve. Case Amplify reduces the manual work that pulls staff away from people. The moment caseworkers sign in, they see priorities at a glance: urgent cases, pending messages, and the next tasks to tackle. As they carry out their day-to-day work, Case Amplify guides conversations, automates data collection and documentation, and takes care of forms and follow-ups. Here, a new client arrives. A document can be uploaded to open their case, and then the caseworker starts the conversation. Instead of splitting attention between their client and the keyboard, Case Amplify listens, captures information as the conversation unfolds, and even suggests questions based on what their organization needs to know. If a conversation takes place over video call or is captured and uploaded later as recorded audio or a text transcript, Case Amplify supports that as well. When the meeting ends, Case Amplify has already done the heavy lifting, capturing key information from the conversation and generating a summary that highlights the main points and takeaways. Your organization can choose whether full transcripts are retained after analysis, while key data and summaries are preserved regardless. The system then focuses on surfacing what matters most to keep the case record clear and useful. If the caseworker wants to review or make changes, they can, but otherwise, everything is already saved to the case automatically. This is where the time savings start to compound. Instead of rewriting the conversation into notes and forms later, staff leave the meeting with a usable case record, clearer next steps, and less after-hours paperwork. Because Case Amplify has already captured the relevant information, forms can be auto-filled using data from the intake conversation and uploaded document, so the same details don't need to be re-entered again and again. As more conversations take place and additional documents are added, those forms continue to update automatically, staying current as the case evolves. And it doesn't all have to be handled by staff. When specific documentation is needed, a caseworker can send a quick text with a secure upload link so clients can submit what's needed themselves and keep things moving forward. Each case builds a structured record, bringing together conversations, documents, forms, text message communications, and any notes or updates added by staff, all in one place. Reviewing a case stays simple through the case summary. The summary automatically regenerates every time the case is updated, so you can always see the latest context at a glance. This makes it easier to step into a case, share work across team members, or hand a case off without losing important details. Along with each summary, Case Amplify also suggests next steps, helping turn recent updates into clear, actionable tasks for either the caseworker or their client. That same summary also drives case priority. Based on what's happening in the case, priority is automatically assessed and reflected in the case list, so the most urgent cases rise to the top. Incoming messages are continuously analyzed as well. If a message signals something time-sensitive or critical, the system can escalate priority automatically, ensuring urgent situations aren't missed. And this is where Kara comes in, your personal AI assistant. Kara can review your assigned cases and assess their priority levels, but she doesn't stop at a ranked list. She pulls in the underlying information that shaped each result: overdue tasks, how long a case has been sitting in its current state, missing data that might be blocking progress, and recent activity that signals where a client is waiting on a response. From there, Kara works with you to act on what she finds. She can recommend next steps and turn them into trackable tasks, draft outreach messages so you're not starting from a blank page, and update case details on the fly as you work through things, so the record stays current without slowing you down. From intake to case closure, Case Amplify is there every step of the way. Conversations and documents automatically become structured, usable records. Hours filling out forms turns into seconds. Summaries distill complex cases into clear, actionable insights, and priorities are surfaced so you stay focused on what matters most. Case Amplify. Less time on paperwork, more time building meaningful connections with the people you serve.